All right, so I think I got 3 cameras synced here right now. This is just a video kind of highlighting the different videos I'm going to make on this channel and highlighting a number of the ones I've already made. So for those that are new to the channel, thanks for checking it out. And here are 5 videos that I've made in the last few years that kind of sum up what this channel is going to be all about. So the first one is slacklining videos. So I love slacklining videos. That's the reason I started filming in the first place, and I plan to make more and more slacklining videos and hopefully to never stop if I possibly can. So fingers crossed on that. It's the reason I actually bought my first drone. So here's one slacklining video I did while living in Spokane, Washington. I'm still in and out of there a lot, but here's one of my favorite videos from Spokane, Washington.
Dude, that's so great. That was genius from 2 steps to 30 steps. Dude.
Yes!
Ooh, he's going for the whips.
All right, the second type of video I make are documentaries. So documentaries are some of the funnest things to make because you get to interview a ton of people and try to make a complex kind of edit of all these perspectives on a certain place. So here is one video I made from Antarctica, because I lived in McMurdo Station for 4 months just last year, and definitely a unique place, interviewed a lot of cool people, and it was super fun to make this video, but it took a ton of time. But here is that McMurdo Station video that I made.
I'm pretty drawn to cold places. Like before this I was in Fairbanks, Alaska. And it was like, well, what's colder and more remote than Fairbanks?
It's insane. I literally think it's insane. Like, someone pour vodka out of a 3rd-story window during a music festival at the bottom of the earth.
McMurdo Station is like an adult summer camp and prison at the same time.
This entire line here is for the booze, and it's only available for an hour and a half. Sean is stoked.
You make it however you want. It's a really nice community to be a part of.
They do not. Roy! Wreck it, Roy! He's gonna wreck it! He's gonna wreck it! And the galley really putting their egg in. Oh, he is safe! It's your day off!
You're generally in an environment of like-minded people who are willing to take on new things and explore a little bit, specifically a social environment that I really enjoy.
There's obviously the negativity of like, just really exhausted and I don't want to see anyone. Well, guess what? You're gonna see 100 of your closest friends on the way to the galley.
A lot of the equipment and gear here is still pretty old. Say if you came from like Silicon Valley where everything is new and flash, down here stuff has been here for a really long time. So it's cool to see kind of like how things can still work and function, even though it's not like the newest and greatest. The fact that you work all the time, there's a lot of grueling hours that you have to put in terms of existing down here. Who wants to just live stream their whole 54-hour work week or something? It comes at a cost. I mean, it's by no means vacation.
One day it's sunny, the next day you're in some bad snowstorm.
The third type of video I make are features. So oftentimes you just find someone who has like a unique thing they do or something they love to do, and they're so passionate that you want to make more about them. So you just do an interview with that person and go over all their favorite things they like to do in this space. And so here's one of them that I made a few years back. It's about a landscape photographer from Sandpoint, Idaho. Super cool guy. Got to go to some very unique places, and I loved working with him. Hope to do more features like this in the future. So here's the landscape photographer from Sandpoint, Idaho.
A lot of times I'll do scouting missions where I'll pack a lighter bag just with some snacks and water and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Make sure it's a place that I actually want to take photos at before I lug a really heavy backpack out.
Yeah.
Yeah. That said, I'm gonna get my shot. Yeah, I'm often in mildly treacherous terrain. People always ask me where I'm taking photos, but I don't always like to share that information because, for one, it might be kind of treacherous for somebody without the experience. I can't even find the bottom of that. That's crazy. To go to some of these places, a lot of places I go are rope access to. So I'll rappel into canyons, and this enables me to get to places that not a lot of other people are taking pictures of. I really wanted to get under these logs.
So even with the rope access, you'll bring your camera sometimes?
Yep, even down waterfalls.
All right, so the next one's going to be travel videos. I constantly travel every single year. I feel like I'm somewhere else. Every 6 months I move either to a place I've been or to somewhere new. This last year I just spent 6 months in South America. Absolutely loved it. But this one is actually going to be about Indonesia. I spent a month there a year and a half ago and had a great time. Went to Java, Bali, and Flores. All super cool places, but here's a snippet from that video in Indonesia. I then flew off to Flores. So Flores is an island just a short flight east of Bali. And yeah, you may not have heard of it, but you truly have. You know what's there. It's something that people go to see that is very famous. It's just you may not know it's on this island or nearby this island. And the attraction here are Komodo dragons. So you have Komodo Island, Barinka Island.
Okay, move back. I think you can move the other side and block it way.
But aside from these big lizards, you also have... Alright, and lastly are just drone videos. I can't help it. I love flying my drone. I'm gonna do it forever. It's what got me into it with Slackline, but now I've used it for absolutely everything, and I want to keep flying my drone. So I'm gonna continue. Every place I travel, I'd always fly my drone for a little bit. So definitely continue to do that. But here's the video. It's actually a very long video, but I'm just showing you a snippet of it. But it's a video about, it's 45 minutes long of all the places I traveled in South America. So check it out. All right, so those are my 5 videos that I just decided to feature in this video for anyone who's new or just anyone who wants to see kind of what this channel is about. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribed if you haven't already, and look for new videos coming in the future. They are kind of all over the place sometimes, but I consistently post. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the future. Awesome. We'll see ya.